Lithium-ion batteries are battery power tools that provide a safe and low-cost alternative to rechargeable batteries. They have a porous electrode and an electrolyte medium that is exchanged between the electrode and electrolyte solution. Wetting of the electrode is directly related to the porosity, the pore size distribution, the pore geometry and topology, and can be manipulated by adjusting the pore size and the electrolyte transport function. Wetting behavior can be improved by increasing the electrode thickness. These changes in wetting behavior can improve the performance of the battery. Wetting balances and the wetting behavior of electrode films can be used to improve the manufacturing process and the electrochemical performance of lithium-ion batteries.
This article is titled Effect of Calendering on Electrode Wettability in Lithium-Ion Batteries and was authored by Yangping eSheng, Christopher Fell, Yong Sun, Bernhard Metz, Junwei eJiang, and Benjamin Church.
We are article.tv. Article links can be found in the video description.